G'day and welcome to the HP booth. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print21. We're here at Fespa. I'm here with Oscar Vidal, Global Strategy Head for Large Format Print at HP.
That's right.
Welcome, Oscar.
Thank you very much. Welcome from the show.
Thank you. Oscar, HP obviously a huge player in the industry. Big stand here. Can you tell us what the HP message is to the industry at this Fespa?
All right, so thank you. First of all, very welcome to the stand. We're basically bringing a new set of applications for customers to open up new businesses. So one of our missions in this industry is to equip customers to be able to do many things. So what you have here is a real life example. So all the standard you see has been printed and produced with our products. And on top of this, we are making sure that people understand that you can do all this with a sustainable technology. So one of the key messages we want to deliver is first, sustainability is super important and it will continue to grow. And you can use our HP technology with sustainable credentials. And second, there is an endless amount of possibilities. So you're going to see flatbed printing, printing on rigid, printing on flexible substrates, super high quality, nice applications. So again, we want to inspire customers on doing new things and entering in new opportunities on markets.
Okay, so there's two things. Let's just unpack that a little bit. Sustainability.
That's right.
And what does that mean? Does that mean the way the machines are made, or the inks, or the media that you recommend?
Thanks for the question, because it's all of it. And when we look at sustainability, we look at what we call end-to-end sustainability. It's not just the printer, which is very sustainable. We use recyclable plastics. We use cardboard-based ink cartridges to make sure when customers use the ink, they can dispose the container. But most importantly, we use ink technology that when the final product is being printed, it can be recycled at the end. So we use water-based inks by the HP Latex technology that when you have the finished product on recyclable stuff, you can really give that circular economy to the final print and recycle that print into something else. So it's an end-to-end experience from the printer operator all the way to the final prints.
Okay, because obviously the brands, the customers of these print businesses are demanding some sustainability credentials, aren't they?
Absolutely, and that's super critical. We see more and more the big brands becoming very sensitive to my campaigns to be sustainable. I want to make sure that I communicate to my consumers, but I do it sustainably. And that technology we have, is the response to our print service providers to really be able to produce those campaigns in a sustainable fashion.
Okay, and the second point you made there was essentially the flexibility and versatility of a printer, enabling a print business provider, print service provider, to go to market with different offerings rather than he's not just printing posters, is he?
Absolutely. The name of the game is versatility. It's, we want to make sure customers are able to really tap into all the segments they want to go and explore. It's not just doing posters and banners, it's many more. And you see plenty of examples of printing on many surfaces, being able to, for example, go into the decoration market. Decoration market has grown in the last 18 months like more than a factor of 10x. The overall pandemic and people buying online has really waking up that industry. And we want to make sure we equip our print service providers with technology they can print on a very large set of materials and possibilities with white ink, with coloring, on the surface, on rigid, on flexible. So it's all about giving them choice and opportunities.
Okay, terrific, Oscar. And this machine behind us, what's this one in particular?
That's the HP Latex R2000. That's a hybrid machine that is able to print on rigid and flexible, and is able to do things like this kind of sample you here with white ink on underfloat, so it can really go after many applications. We can print on cork, we can print on acrylics, we can print on aluminum boards, many things. It's a machine that has been in the market for a couple of years, and we're having very good acceptance into the show, and delivers supreme image quality, very fast speed, and again, endless possibilities when it comes to print quality and substrates.
Okay, because I guess that's what people want, isn't it? The flexibility, the versatility.
Absolutely.
Roll to roll, flatbed, different surfaces.
It's all about choice.
You've got a couple of other machines around the corner. We can't go and see them, but tell us about those.
Yes, we have another latex-based machine, which is here in the corner, which is the HP Latex 800W, which also has a wide ink. In this case, it's a flexible machine. It prints on a roll of media, whether it's vinyl or banner or films or paper. We also have what we call our high photography printer, the HP designed Z9 Plus, which basically deliver outstanding image quality for photography. And in the corner down there, we have our HP PageWide XL printer, which basically delivers high throughput on paper-based applications, mainly for poster, retail job that really turn around super fast. So we have, a taste of different products, again, to showcase all the possibilities with the HP lineup.
Okay, yeah, and of course we're at Fespa here in Berlin. Packprint, the Australian show, is going to be taking place in just a few weeks' time. I know the HP Latex R2000 is going to be there and other machines as well, so of course feel free to go along to the booth on the HP standard Packprint. Oscar Vidal, it's been a pleasure talking. Thanks so much for taking time
Thank you for coming
to explaining your message of sustainability, versatility, flexibility. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
This is Wayne Robinson signing off from Fespa for Print 21 magazine on the HP booth.